Okay, this particular one, we're gonna start it. We're gonna go down one of these little side streets. I'm not sure if we're gonna go that way or that way or that way. I'm not sure exactly, but I do want to start here because we're kind of at this nice little centerpiece with this kind of cool stuff. Rua Comandante, Oliveira. If that one goes down that way, we might follow that. But anyways, this is Grande Praia right here, and this is gonna be where we're gonna start. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's just kind of show you this little plaza first. You got some places to sit down, got some black and white murals. Somebody right there. And now we kind of have this little space too, right? But I always like this building as well, the one behind, because there's all these wraparound window kind of things. And now what we're gonna do is, I think what we're gonna try to do is try to capture that street right there, since it's not that street, so I think it's gonna be that street right there. And we kind of have a red light right now too, so I think that's gonna be our focus, this one right here. Grand Lisboa is right there, so we'll see. It's kind of cool. So let me just see if we can get across it. And now we can get across. So now we're gonna go across. Kind of cool artwork, photography there. So this street right there does go all the way down, and it does go right here. So this one is connected with that one down there. So so we're just gonna follow it all the way down and go like this towards Grand Lisboa. Grand Lisboa, it's right there. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool that photographers are doing. So we're gonna walk all the way down this way, just kind of see what's here. It's kind of raining a little bit harder now. Simple life. Boutique. Yoga. This little alley right here. So there's some restaurants down that way, but it's kind of a rainy day. They should be lined with restaurants all the way down. Got some motor scooters. Let's see. And maybe a hot pot, I think. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, you can grill at the table, so. Money exchange, travel agency. It's like a Taobao outlet kind of thing. Money exchange. I think we did that alley and that alley, so there's another one that's a little alley that's like pedestrian, no cars can go in. And we're coming out to the end of it. So once we get up to here, we'll kind of turn around and focus on the street. And now we're kind of at this cool looking place. Really cool looking place. Got our black and white tiles still. This one over here is there's some artwork right here. There's a guy that's from Portugal who lives in Macau. I think it is Macau, but he does artwork all over Macau like that. He takes like a chisel and cuts into the building and creates artwork. So that's the street that we just focus on. Kind of interesting street, interesting buildings. Portuguese school right there. So those tiles right there is to a Portuguese school. And there's that Portuguese pointillism thing, the chisel, and then that kind of cool thing too. So let's end it right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.